Hi, my name is Brendan Bartik with Brendan Bartik Real Estate Coaching, where our mission is to train the most elite real estate agents and coaches on earth. Today we're going to be talking about the for sale by owner script. Now, I've used this script to help me sell hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of for sale by owner homes. It's helped me build great relationships. I still have contact with so many of the for sale by owners I sold in the past and helped them buy new homes. It's absolutely powerful. If you can memorize, internalize, and use this script, it'll change your life. So to understand the script, we have to first, of course, take a step back and understand the psychology of a for sale by owner. Now, everybody, I talk to agents all the time, they're like, man, I don't want to deal with them. They don't want to pay us any money. That is not the case. The majority of for sale by owners have already decided that they want to sell. They just haven't decided on what agent they want to work with yet. Okay? And that's a very important mindset piece. They just haven't decided what agent they want to work with yet. All right? So if you go into it with that mindset, if you go into it going, they don't want to pay me, what do you think is going to happen? They're not going to want to pay you. So all of this starts with your belief in they just haven't decided what agent they want to work with yet. So they're trying the waters to figure it out, to see who's going to be excellent and aggressive and come out and really wow them, right? That's what the mindset you have to have. Otherwise, this will never be powerful, okay? Now, the other piece of this is knowing that with a for sale by owner, it might not be it might not be if, it'll be when. So you just a matter of time, right? We know that almost, I think the stats always change, but 87% of all for sale by owners end up listing. I don't know if that stat's true, but I know a ton of them do. I know that for a fact because I've sold a ton of them, right? So if we're looking at that and we know that that's going to be the case, it might as well be you, but it won't be if your mindset's not accurate, okay? So if it's not if, it's when, then you have to also go into this that if you don't have success on that first call, third call, fifth call, it might be the 19th, 20th, 25th call before you're able to even set that appointment with that for sale by owner. Does it happen on the first time? Yes. Does it happen on the fifth time? Sure. 17th, 20th? Absolutely. You just have to have a structure to get there. And then once you have a whole database of these for sale by owners, then they just start going ding, 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 as you start knocking them out throughout month after month after month. So this is just like anything. This isn't, here's why all agents have frustration with for sale by owners. You call them for a day, no success. That's not for me. You call them for 2 days. Oh, you do a week. Maybe you were even good enough to do a month. And you're like, man, I'm just not selling tons of these. It takes time. You're building relationships. So make sure you understand that as you go into it. So I'm going to now take you through the script. And in all of my classes like this or sessions like this, I'm going to read it right off the script so you can understand it piece by piece, so you can get the power of it. Now, you're going to want to memorize it and internalize it so it becomes more powerful. When you memorize and internalize it, then you don't have to think about it, right? The reason I'm reading it is because my version of it has become so natural that it's not exactly what the scripted version is. But as I've always told people, that's the reason it becomes very good, is because it sounds natural to me. This script was as natural as I could make it, but even with that, I added my own flair to it, but not until I had it down 1,000 times on the basic style, okay? So you don't need to mess with it right now. You need to just utilize the script if you haven't used scripts before and do it a bunch of times, then you can add your flair to it, okay? All right, so let's start it out. So you're going to get your for sale by owner list from whether it's a provider, the newspaper, Land Voice, the Red X, Mojo, Salesforce, Vulcan 7, whatever provider you're utilizing, you're going to have this list, okay? Or you drove by the house and you saw a for sale by owner sign, okay? So you're going to call and you're going to say, so the phone's going to ring, ring, ring. Hi, I'm calling about the home for sale. Is it still available? Yeah, it's still available. Great. Is this the owner? Yeah, it's the owner. And who am I speaking with? John. Hey, John, my name is Brendan with XYZ Real Estate Company, and I have a couple of quick questions about the property. Is the property vacant? Now, what I just did there is very important. On the script, it looks like there's a pause. There was no other way to write this to make it look smoother, but you need to take that pause out and just go straight to the first question. Because if you go, and I have a couple of quick questions about the property, they're going to hang up, right? Is the property vacant? Or are you currently living in the home? Yeah, we live here. Oh, great. And how long has it been for sale? Yeah, about a week. And what's the current list price? It's about $300,000. $300,000. Okay, and you're going to repeat that slowly to them. $300,000. Okay. And how did you happen to come up with the asking price? Zillow, my cousin, I dreamt it up, a million different things. You're going to be like, okay, right? Oh, okay. Can you tell me why you're selling the property? Well, I'm moving to Arizona. I'm downsizing, upsizing. It's an investment property. It's a rental, all the things. Whatever it is, just repeat and comment. Oh, that's great. You're moving to Arizona. That's exciting. Is there a reason why you decided to try and sell it yourself rather than with a professional real estate broker? Yeah, we don't need one. We saved the commission. We sold our house back in Mississippi, a couple years back on our own, and it was super easy. Okay. Oh, really? It was okay. Really? Okay. Well, the reason I asked is because I've helped hundreds of for sale by owners net the most money possible for their home, and I'd like to stop by and meet with you and view the property. I'll be in your neighborhood this afternoon at 4. Would tomorrow at 1 o'clock work better for you? I guess, if you want to come by and see it, tomorrow at 4 would work, or tomorrow at 1 would work. Great. And so I can prepare an accurate net sheet for you. What do you currently owe on the property? Well, I don't know why you're preparing a net sheet for me, whatever they might say. If they say that to you, just say, just because I want to make sure I have all the information accurate for when we meet. Well, I'm not going to probably list with you if you come over. I just want you to be very sure that, do you even have any buyers for the property? I have hundreds of buyers, but to make sure that I can actually sell your home to one of them, I need to see it and meet with you tomorrow. So, and we have a whole objection handler book at Brendan Bardick Coaching. You can download this, all the 50 most real estate objections, practice them over and over, helps you get past all of those objections. Excellent. And will all parties that are on title be present, or will they be there tomorrow? Yes. Great. I look forward to meeting you at the property tomorrow at 1 o'clock. This is very important. Don't lie. Don't tell them you have a buyer. Don't bring your sister there as the buyer. Don't try to fake the funk. Just be straight up. Here's one of my favorite things. If they take you off the script, look, John, if I could come over and in 15 minutes show you how I could net you more money and have you do less work, would that be something you'd be interested in? Just take me 15 minutes. At the end of that session, John, for whatever reason you feel that there's no value there, you don't feel that we're the right fit, whatever it is, I guarantee from that meeting you'll get at least a few other marketing ideas that you can use yourself to attract more buyers. So I'll be in your neighborhood today at 4 anyway, or would tomorrow at 1 o'clock work better for you? Okay. Today at 4, tomorrow at 1. I just need a few minutes. I'd just like to come and meet with you. Here's another one. You know what, John? I completely understand you want to try it on your own. I just want to be a backup plan, John, for you. If for some random reason that doesn't happen, and I'm excited for you. I really hope you are to get it done. But we know about 87% of all for sale by owners don't end up doing it on their own and end up listing with a real estate professional. And since I am one of the best in the entire area, I'd love to come by, just take 15 minutes, see the home, let you know exactly what I do to get it sold for the most money possible. I'll be in your neighborhood today at 4, or would tomorrow at 1 work better for you? Okay? So it's just confidence. I'm here as a backup plan. I'm here when you need me. It's just to show you some different ideas. I only need 15 minutes. It's the rhythm, it's the pace, it's the consistency that makes this work. You've got to fire it out like that. All right? So I know you can do it. You've got to practice. Go, get a role play partner. We have role play partners. We have live role play every Thursday at 12 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Come join us. Come get your skills sharpened. And then you'll turn those skills into dollar bills. That's the best part of the entire thing, right? So I know you can do this. You know you can do this. It just takes some practice. All right? So print the scripts, put them in front of you, use them. And as always, I wish you great success.